Wala kang kanuan. Nga naman lagi man, sukan lang yung nagbuwag ni Sumana na natutulina. Could you imagine that? So, Tan and Judy, again, I wish you only a happy and a lasting marriage. That's all. Labaw pa na Tan mo na titimatag. And I believe pa sa'yo, Ma'am Judy. How do you feel today? Certainly you are happy. I can see it in us. I wish that happiness to last until death do you part, until the coming of God is everything. Happy and lasting marriage. You want it? You can have it. How? There is another who says that a happy marriage is a fortress of heaven. Hindi ko nang malipayon nga kami niwan, Ma'am Judy. Kung kuno ni unang pagtilaw sa langit din isimuta. Ito ka na ito. Nahin ko ako, Ma'am. Ikaw, Sir Tristan. Ha? Hindi ka matuwakan. Sagot ng kanang upan. Ako ay believe, indeed, that here, in this earth, we can focus everything. Do you want to focus everything? Yes. Ikaw, Ma'am Joy? How? Ilaw ka lang, ha? Ito ka lang, ha? Pagbuhat sa tamang lugar. Itilaw ng langit mo. Langit juga ito, Ma'am Joy. Unless Ma'am Joy, kasi kauban ako sa Tristan, langit na ito. Wow, ayan kasi. Some people just sold and I said, yes, I want to put this heaven. But how? When we will have a lot of money. For them, money is heaven. I respect that also. For some, property is heaven. But I want to tell you, Tan and Judy, if this marriage is founded on money, you will never be happy. And even if God will give you millions and billions, if it is on money alone, you will never be happy. I recall the story of Chairman Andy Bautista of Pumilit. I don't know if you know him. He was a former chairman of Pumilit during Pinoy the time, probably. What happened to him? He did not finish his term of 7 years. Why? Because there was an impeachment complaint about to be filed. The root cause of that complaint simply is a problem with his wife. Gamay na kayong problema, namusabi ko sa impeachment complaint of Andy Bautista because he was an impeachable officer. Huwag mapile ang complaint, isibat siya sa Amerika. Nonetheless, because he was a high-ranking official, investigation was conducted. And you know, it was revealed after the investigation. Astilan. During the investigation, it was found out that we have more than 1 billion of money in the bank. Can you imagine that? Kabalo ka silang away, lingon yung asawa, sige bulag ka, tagay ko katunga sa atong pagkanan. Ang Di Bautista did not agree. And he even said, I just bailed you out of your credit card of 3 million. And now you're asking me more, I cannot give it to you, according to Andy Bautista. But I realized, 1 billion, pastila ng pagkutuday. Tuma lang taday, hindi yung tamagulan. Tag-500 billion ka. But this goes to show Tristan and Judy that if it is all money alone, you will never do. Look at those people who obtain billions of money. Are they happy? Martin Romualdez, Sandro Marco. Wala. That's what I didn't share yet. All of these are based on perceptions.